On the uphill side of the train, we are passing by what appears to be an old rail bed. On this side of this rail bed actually belongs to the Leadville Mineral Belt. The Leadville Mineral Belt was a train company that went into Leadville's mining district and brought minerals from the mines down to the main line. 5 miles of the old Leadville Mineral Belt rail bed was donated by our train company to a program called Rails to Trails. The Rails to Trails program is a nationwide program that goes around converting old rail beds into different kinds of paths. The current section of track we are traveling on is our most level section on today's trip. the Rio Grande. That is because the Rio Grande owned most of the right-of-way to the valley floor and would make it very difficult for any other train company to build a line down in the valley below. So the South Park decided to build their line way up here on the mountain. Our line is known as the High Line. After the legal battle settled and the South Park decided they needed to build their own line heading into Leadville, in 1881 they did just that. They began construction from Denver in 1881, crossing over two passes, Warriors Pass and Fremont Pass to the downhill side. This is how the zipliners are able to come up the mountain from their base camp off of Highway 91. Here the train is entering an area known as French Gulch, which is home to the French Gulch Water Tower. The French Gulch Water Tower is a gravity-fed water tower. It can hold 47,500 gallons of water. The French Gulch Water Tower is at an elevation of 10,840 feet above sea level. The water tower originally sat on the uphill side of the train, but when the line was converted from narrow gauge to standard gauge in 1943, the water tower was moved to its current location and raised slightly to fit the much larger standard gauge steam engines underneath its water spout. On June 23rd, 1980, when the Burlington Railroad was utilizing this line as a the reservoir that gravity-fed the water tower gave way due to heavy rainfall, came down the mountain and washed out the section of tracks the engine is currently passing over. An engineer and his brakeman on their way down to Leadville noticed the washout. They drew the brake on the engine and jumped from the train. They sustained minor injuries, but the engine ended up in the washout. The engine had to be hoisted out of the washout, and there it was set, the engine and the boxcar. Just a quick reminder, ladies and gentlemen, we are still in the National Forest, so there is absolutely no smoking allowed in this area. Downhill side of the train, we do get a great example of the difference in DNA between two aspen groves. The aspen grove that is closer to us is a bright orange in color, and the aspen groves around this aspen, the orange aspen, yellow instead of orange. This does give us a great example of the difference in aspens and their DNA.
I took a little video. And you're in my video. You're going to have to be paying, but yeah, it's raining a little hard out there.
We began to head into the aspen grove sitting on either side of the train. When we come to this area during the peak color of the fall, it is like traveling through a golden tunnel of leaves. Unfortunately, there is cloud coverage and we do not get the opportunity to see the sun hitting off and reflecting off these beautiful aspens. summit of Fremont Pass. At the summit of Fremont Pass sits Bartlett Mountain. In 1879, a miner by the name of Charlie Center decided to stake a claim up on Mount Bartlett. He did not find gold or silver, but what he did find was a gray-like substance.
The lady lived on Avenue X, next to a trestle all her life. She dreamed of distant places and of jumping random trains 1,000 times. She craved the sky that let her know she was alone. An endless sky that left the stars alone to shine beyond her life. That sky showed her some way home. Counting the trains to and from Coney Island every night, searching in vain for salvation in a city full of lies. She craved the sky that let her know she was home. An endless sky that left the stars alone to shine beyond her life. That sky showed her some way home. I'm still here amidst the fallout of our life. I'm still here living with her She found a sky that let her know she was home. An endless sky that left the stars alone to shine beyond her life. That sky showed her some way home.
Caught a plane to the next job, watching the night go by. Lost my heart waiting for someone special to arrive. I was holding on to this dying dream. I knew it was best for me. I was chasing chasing my own paradise.